Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. 12-7. Valdez, good serve from Eliza. Napailing na lang to si Rachel.
Oh, in that play kasi masyado malapit si Manabat sa kanya. So medyo nag-alangan siya sa reception.
6-point lead is the biggest now for PLDT home Montera. Eliza again. Agno, inangat. Para dito kay Gonzaga. Masyadong malayo. Di man lang makakatawid.
The opponent, alam na yung mga ganitong atmosphere. She needs to calm her teammates.
Eliza Valdez trying to calm herself down also bago mag-serve. May service error na siya kanina. But this time she is on target.
I was gonna
want the officiating to bother you. Valdez fires and it's off the hands of Santiago Manabat.
Once again, Eliza Valdez still on the line.
Manabat is the target.
Wala na naman. Pangalawa na. Nakuha na ng
He's our MVP of the conference. That 35 points kahit talo, no?
Ano parang ang dali-dali na kay Eliza to get that 20-something points. In fact, inaakit.
Diba? How many more can she score? It is now 9-13. Her serves earlier.
And that goes in. Ganyan-ganyan yung ginawa ni Tina Sala kanina. This time it's Eliza Valdez.
Suddenly they were up 15-6, anchored mostly on the serve of Eliza Valdez. Wow.
Once again, Eliza Valdez getting another point, getting an ace.
Hindi ka... Tingnan mo, yung bali ng kamay,
Kargado Kita mo nagsizigzag yung
bali ng
bola.
kamay,
Humana na curve.
Watch the hands. Boom! No, yung kurba ng kamay,
Yun nga